It's time to get your portfolio queries checked. For all those who've just tuned in, you might just want to note down our WhatsApp number and email ID where you can send across your question. Anything about your financial planning that you want to know, whether you want to check if your strategy is aligned with your financial goals, you can send across your questions on our WhatsApp number 865-797-4571. And the email ID is themoneyshow@etnow.tv. Okay, let's welcome on board our guest who will be answering your portfolio queries, Pankaj Mathpal, who's the MD of Apna Money Managers. Pankaj, hi, good evening and welcome to the show. Pankaj, let's begin with Vijay Shankar's question, and he says that which is the best mutual fund to invest lump sum of 10 lakhs? It's just a question in one line written by him. I don't have him on the phone line, but a lot of aspects that we should really explore and answer him also. Lump sum of 10 lakhs, the strategy depends on the time horizon that he's investing for. If it is less than 5 years, maybe he cannot take a lot of risk. If it's more than 10 years, more than 5 years, 6 to 7 years, maybe he can try a bit of equity. So I don't have all those clarity, but you might just want to answer covering all those aspects, Pankaj.
Kavita, good evening. As you rightly said, that choice of schemes may depend mainly on the factors like objective of investment, risk appetite of investor, and investment horizon. So information is very limited here. He has just asked that the best mutual funds, but which category, that is not clear. So considering that he wants to create wealth because 10 lakh rupees he wants to invest. So if horizon of Vijay Shankar for this investment is 5 years or more, I'm suggesting some schemes like ICICI Prudential Multi-Asset Fund. This is a fund which will invest in equity, debt, and gold as well. Then Mid Asset Multi-Cap Fund, and also Invesco Large and Mid Cap Fund. So these are diversified funds will be suitable for horizon something more than 5 years.
All right, you are suggesting these funds with a time horizon of 5 years plus.
Yes,
Okay, what if it's till 5 years or even less than that?
yes. So see, if the horizon is say something 1 year, then debt-oriented funds will be suitable. Say, if suppose 1 year only, then money market fund or liquid funds or ultra short duration funds. This kind of debt funds can be suitable. If the horizon is something more than 1 year and uh, till 3 years, say 2 to 3 years, in that case, you can consider conservative hybrid funds or equity savings funds, that kind of funds. But if 3 to 5 years, then some aggressive hybrid funds or balance advantage funds can be considered. So it will depend that how much time he has for this investment. But at right now, because the question is 10 lakh rupees and best funds, so I'm assuming that he wants to create wealth. And when the wealth creation is objective, you should have horizon something like 5 years or longer. Then only you can expect the benefit of compounding, and that is why the names I suggested.
Okay, so this is what happens, when we don't have clarity on the questions or the details that the viewers send us. But Vijay, I hope that it solves your question. Pankaj, we have Gautam from Mumbai on the phone line. I do not think that you have this question with you, but then let's
Okay.
hear out Gautam and let's know what he wants from you. Gautam, hi, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. The question goes from here from Mumbai. My
Sure.
question is, I like to invest around 1 crore rupees in
Mm-hmm.
five different, and if you can suggest me what are the recommended funds
Hmm.
I should invest,
Okay.
take it for next 3 to 5 years.
Got it. Gautam, I just want to understand, are you familiar with the equity markets? Is this going to be your first time investment ever?
No, no, no. I'm investing for last probably 10 years,
Okay.
and
So you
now I
already
am.
have a mutual fund portfolio in place, Gautam?
Yes, I do. I do.
Do you know the name of the funds? Because I don't want to be repetitive in suggesting you a new strategy. So if in case you can give me the names of your existing mutual funds, we can just go ahead with that, or maybe just, if there has to be some kind of a change, Pankaj can recommend.
Now, it's a very good point you raised, and let me tell you my concern. My concern is the mistake I have done is I have invested probably in 25 to 30 different mutual funds
Oh,
over the yeah. It's a mistake,
okay.
I know.
That's
It's
a
a
lot.
repetition. Yeah, and because of the size of the portfolio is a little bit, on the higher side. Now I am trying to invest probably 1 to 2 CR more, starting with one, and I like to concentrate it in 5 funds based on the
Okay.
recommendation of the the people, the big guys,
So
so
it's
that I
five
yeah.
years. It's only 5 years. I hope you know you cannot take a lot of risk then.
Well, see here, good point again. 5 years is ideally, by the grace of God, don't need the money. I don't see that I will be looking for the money. But my projection is 3 years, 5 years, and then another 10 years if it performs well.
Okay.
So it's not that I need the money. I should not. I'm not expecting that I'll need the money. But my expectation, if it grows, if it doubles in 5 years, I don't know
Okay.
if it is realistic one or not. Uh,
All
so,
right. I think we've covered all the aspect of your questions, and let's connect with Pankaj because I also have Balbir on the phone line, who's our next viewer. Pankaj, what's it for Gautam now for you? From you?
See, because Gotham has been investing for long, but he has too many funds in the portfolio, and I do not know that which funds are there. But for 3 to 5 years horizon, and considering that he can even extend his this investment time period, so 5 funds I'm recommending. And see, one you can have a flexi cap fund. So HDFC flexi cap fund can be considered. Second, a large and mid cap fund, which is a very good category, which invests in large cap as well as mid cap, and Invesco India Large and Mid Cap Fund will be a good choice in this. Though small cap is not suitable for a horizon of 3 or 5 years, but as you said that you can extend. So I'm considering that in case the schemes perform good, you will stay invested. So one multi-cap fund I can recommend you, not the small cap fund. So through multi-cap, you'll have exposure to small cap as well. So for multi-cap, Bajaj Finserv multi-cap fund can be considered. And one, you consider multi-asset allocation, and ICICI Prudential multi-asset allocation fund is a good fund in that category. So these 4 funds I'm recommending to you. If you have already in your portfolio some of these funds, you can top up. Otherwise, you can add these funds.
All right, Gautam, that's the answer for you. We don't have your existing portfolio details, but this is what is Pankaj recommendation. Mr. Balbir Singh is on the phone line with me. Balbir, hi, good evening. You're calling
Hi,
from?
good evening. Yeah, I'm from
All right, so you want help to invest in 4 funds and do SWP for retirement. Corpus can be 2 CR. Can you give me any
Correct.
idea on the time frame?
It's for long term. Sorry. It's for long term,
Long term
basically.
would be how much? More than 5 years, 10 years? What are we talking
More than
about?
5 years,
And
10 years and beyond.
more than, sure. So after how many years of your investment you want the SWP?
From the next year itself.
Next year itself. How
Yeah.
much can you invest right now?
The amount that I've messaged to you, 2 crores.
No, that's the corpus that you want to accumulate. What is the
No, that is the
investment
amount
amount
I
every
want to
month?
invest. No, that is the
Okay,
amount I
2
want to
CR is
invest.
the amount that you want to invest. Okay.
Invest at one go and create an SWP,
Okay, got it.
systematic
Invest
withdrawal
2
plan.
CR in one go. Got it. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need suggestions for how many funds should I go in and what kind of funds.
Sure.
It could be
Sure.
2, it could
Sure.
be 4. The expert can make a conscious
Absolutely.
decision.
Got it. Got it. All right,
Yeah.
Balbir. Pankaj, over to you.
Yes, Balbir, your question is very clear that you want to invest 2 crore rupees right now. You will stay invested for 1 year. After 1 year, your SWP will start. So first question is how many funds? I recommend you 4 funds for 2 crore rupees, 50 lakh each. And because after 1 year only you want to start your SWP, in that case, I suggest hybrid funds, but different categories of hybrid funds. So in hybrid fund, one is ICICI Prudential Asset Allocator Fund of Fund. Second will be White Oak Capital Multi Asset Allocation Fund. Third fund is HDFC Balance Advantage Fund. and fourth will be SBI equity hybrid funds. So one is aggressive hybrid fund, one is dynamic asset allocation, one is multi-asset allocation, and one is asset allocator fund of funds. So these are four funds. One suggestion to you, see, balanced advantage fund and aggressive hybrid fund, which is SBI equity hybrid fund. These funds will qualify for long-term capital gains after 1 year, and rest two funds will have long means at tax at 12.5% after 2 years holding period. So after 1 year, when you start your SWP, initially you start only from these two funds, and later you can start from the other two funds as well, considering that the capital gain rules remain same. If it changes in future, so we can't commit right now, but considering the rules right now, two funds will qualify for long-term capital gains after 1 year, and these two funds, the first ones, will qualify after 2 years. So just keep that in mind, and right now you invest in these four funds.
All right, all the best, Mr. Balbir, and we hope that you can now go ahead with your investment process. With that, Pankaj, it's a wrap on the show. Thank you so much for taking time out and helping our viewers with their financial portfolio queries. Thank you. All right, so for our viewers, I'm going to sign off, but I'll leave you with our WhatsApp number and mail ID where you can send across all your investment portfolio related queries. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.